So why they complain of the water?
All the crayfish I put. No be like say come and say. Hello, chico, chico. I'm a big woman because what's this? Starting onions. Guys, my mom is around. She's in my house. And this morning, I really want to disturb her. So we are making breakfast and we're having moi-moi this morning, right? And my mom is the one preparing it. Like, it's been long I tasted her moi-moi. So let me show you guys the kind of ingredients she uses for her moi-moi that makes it have that unique taste that I can't wait to get into this morning. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, this is what we have here. As you already know, beans is the main ingredient for making your moi moi. So we added fresh tomatoes, fresh chombo, and tatashi, crayfish, and fresh pepper with the beans. That's what is inside there. We blended everything together. See the consistency, it is very thick. So these are some of the ingredients that will be added into this moi moi. We have our non-cube for taste, we have our salt, and we have some dry pepper in case the one we blended with the beans is not enough. We're going to add some dry pepper, and then we are going to include groundnut oil. This is what we are using. We are using this white zit cellophane bags and waterproof bags to put the moi moi. I think she's going to use hot water and mix it up before she add all of this stuff. So that's what's going to happen right now. I can't wait to taste this. Like, I really missed moi moi so badly. So she already peeled the non-cubes inside this plate and she's mixing it so it can dissolve very well. So while the moi moi is on fire, I quickly want to take you guys to the vehicle my husband brought back from Kano because he got a lot of goodies. Like, let's go and see what this man got for the house. Guys, I'm a big woman. Call me a rich auntie because what's this? Look at, I have enough onions, like twin onions in that matter, twin onions. Onions say they cost. I have one bag of onions. Can you imagine? I'm a rich auntie. Wow. Okay. Guess how much this will cost in the market? Just this particular one. Guess how much? If you go and price onions, they're going to tell you this one now is 1.5, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go to the car. Let me show you more things that it got. Okay. What do we? I want to go. I better go and call their dad. This na man power. Go and call their dad. Na man power be this. He looks.
inside.
Hello, chicken. Guys, I'm just going to keep it inside there. How? Mom made the ones. We remove the strong ones from the soft one. We can't blend the soft ones. Maybe we'll blend the soft one with our machine here. I don't know. Depends. This is much. Oh. Ah, this is very strong. Mmm, yummy. It's yummy. Chicken is here. Oh, don't come out. Oh. Who is that? Go and eat your food. Don't come out. So you take your bath. Very, very sweet. Fresh tomatoes. Mmm. Mommy, food don't taste stronger.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the
So they throw that.
gates to open.
So now for early morning, my son they fine. Food already. Food already. I don't understand this my money. The ups is soft. That's why it was soft. No, it's this side.
Yeah.
That's all. I will not open at 30. Eh. See the color of moi-moi what I like. Brown. Hmm. You see, all the crayfish I put. Nobody like say it come myself. But making sense. Making sense. Pepper come on. It's okay. Pepper come on. Ah! Give me one. No, it's too they do long throat. Why it feel like shit? Mommy, put tomatoes in here. Line them. God have mercy.
okay. His hand is dirty. You know.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get that. If I was a real wonder, then I could save me from turning around. Lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now, so I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wishing I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
If you wanna be a wonder, baby, come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling.
You tie for me? Yeah. You're a good girl, my love.
Wishing I could be somehow stronger now,
So I can find a way out of pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me.
wish that I could be
Stronger, so I can be a real wonder. So I can find a way out of pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wish that I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now.
The next day.